Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the dryer door switch in your washer-dryer combo, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 screws securing the control panel assembly. Fully detach the panel assembly and set it on top of the appliance. Use a small flathead screwdriver to help disconnect the door switch wire connector. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the switch. Install the new dryer door switch by positioning it in the frame, then secure it with the mounting screws. Connect the wire connector. Reinstall the control panel assembly. Rethread the 3 screws on top. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.